First outdoor task, progressive group task. It is progressive because there are more than one stages of task in this. First stage, second stage, third stage and fourth stage, which are progressively taking more time in doing it. Clear about this?
Yes, sir.
It is a group task because the whole group has to do it together. It is a leaderless group task.
Okay, sir.
There is no nominated leader. All have to participate equally. And anybody having ideas definitely comes out as a leader. Clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Basic rules which are there for the progressive group task. I will brief you. First, I will tell you few things about this task. There will be a start line. Can you see this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is a white line. And can you see this side?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is another white line. These two lines are parallel lines. They extend to infinity. You can't just cross from there and go to the finish line. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
These are the fixed structures in between start and the finish line. These are the resources which are available to you. And there is some helping materials which are given to you. Those are also the resources which are given to you.
Okay, sir.
There is a load which you have to carry it across, put it in front. Okay?
Okay, sir.
This is not a helping material. This is a load which you have to carry from stage 1 to stage 4. How many members are there in your group now?
8 members.
8 plus 4 include them also.
12 members.
So the group rule says all 12 members have to cross from start to finish line. Then only you will look at the next. Okay?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Then only you can proceed to the next stage of the task. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If anybody violates rule, I'll tell you what corrective action is to be taken.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, anything. Second is the out of bound rule. Anything painted red. Can you see certain red portions?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Neither you nor your helping material or load has to touch these red portions. Ground between start and the finish line is out of bound. Anything which is painted blue, you can make use of it, but your helping materials cannot touch over there. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir. No, sir.
Rule of rigidity. Fatta and balli cannot be tied with this rope to make a longer this thing. Otherwise, I would have given you a longer platform to do the task. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Last rule is distance rule. Up to 4 feet, you can jump. Yes, number 8.
Sir,
Definition of jump.
do not support anything.
Yes, number 5.
Both
Up in the air,
Without
not
any
holding anything.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
The distance rule applies to these helping material also. So don't throw the balli like a javelin and go to the from start to finish line कि भाई चली गई हमारी.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Any questions? Any doubts?
No, sir. No, sir.
Now, if you break rule, GTO will not tell you anything. You have to take the corrective action on your own. What is the corrective action?
Start from.
Come back to the previous place from where you have broken rule. Understood?
Yes, sir.
At times GTO may say come back to the start line if rule is broken. Listen to his briefing carefully. He may say anything. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Follow the instructions given by the GTO. We'll start with the first, this is the start line, that is the finish line. Second stage, you can see there. Third stage, fourth stage. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How much time do you want?
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Okay.
You will be able to do it in 30 minutes then.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ready for the task?
Yes, sir.
Your time starts now.
Okay, gentlemen, first place the plan. Check if they put some weight behind it. Board first check if it's reachable. It is definitely reachable. Okay, it's going. You can go ahead. Everybody can go from here.
You can jump over there, drum.
No, we cannot jump.
Firstly, take a.
Okay, take the plank and
And
then
go.
One more person.
Okay,
Along with the particular load. Give me your hand.
Yeah.
Particular load should be weight.
Go.
And put the load at that side.
Hold it.
put the load at the
I believe we should take this plank and
Yes.
put this plank here. And more person will come from the belly.
Go.
Yes.
And put the
Put it on the edge.
wheel on the drum. The plank on the drum.
No, drum is painted red, so not
Oh, yeah, that's starting area and that, na? We have to go there.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. You can
So
proceed
just
further.
number one, first you go.
From there.
Okay, chest
You
number
can pass on the load. Pass on the load.
Like chest number 6.
Just number.
Hold it. So keep it over the drum.
Yeah, one more.
Over that side only.
Test number two. Test number three.
Test number three. Hold it.
No, that person.
Keep your foot there.
I'll go.
Okay.
You can hold this. Yes, you can pass on. You can. Okay. Hold it. Number 6. Pass it. Yes. We are passing from there.
Make space for him.
Okay. Come.
Wait. Okay, I will go first, then I will pick you up.
Just number 8.
Okay, I will. Hold it.
1 second. First, I can go there and I hold it.
You can come here. You can come here.
You can come over here. Step over here.
You can come here. Less traffic.
I'm putting it, don't worry. It won't step. Yeah, okay.
Chest number 2, you make up now.
Wait a minute, let me.
Okay. Don't push here. Chest number 7, hold it from there.
Okay. No need.
Take the bally. Test number 5.
There is no need. No
Pass on the belly here.
Okay. No need to.
Take bally.
Just before you're stepping on the red area.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's a fully of white, I think.
Okay, should I land? Should I come
Yes,
here?
you can
You come here.
Okay.
Just
take my
come
support.
here. Take it up.
Okay.
Go, you can go. Test number five.
Come along.
I can come?
Yes,
Yes, definitely. Will you try come again? Yes, you do.
Lift it. Pass it. You can go and go over there.
Yes. Please allow us. You can once again use the same.
Use the
If the particular length is not reachable. Yes, we should.
You can make a bridge.
You can make a.
Yes.
The heaviest one is chest number 7 and chest number 4. You step here. Stand here. Shall I? Look, wait.
One second. Firstly, you proceed, go to that place.
Just one second. Remove the lightweight person. Go.
Let chest number 6 go first, okay?
Stand
He's
with
like,
chest number 4. You may sit here. Sit it on it.
okay, but he's.
Yes, yes. Chest number 7.
Chest number 1 is the lightest. Chest number 1 is the lightest.
Okay.
You can proceed. Wait. Just
Where is
Yes.
Load.
Load is here.
pass on the load.
Okay.
Pass the load on chest number 3.
Chest number 3, 2, 5, 8.
Chest number 2. You go through.
Okay, yeah.
You should go over there.
Chest number 3. Hold it. You can hold it. Okay. You can put the load over there. Just no need to carry it.
Okay, keep it. Just put it on the white space.
Okay. Okay.
Chest number 3. Wait. Firstly, you come here.
Wait. Okay.
You
Chest
broke
number
it,
7. Touch the ground. Touch the
again.
ground.
Make the body more straight.
Yeah. Put some.
One second. Chest number 5. You can go. Please go. Now this is okay. Chest number 7. You can firstly stand here.
Chest number 4, stand there full weight.
Jump.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Yeah, good.
Right.
Don't stop
Now
again.
wait. Let me first go. Then I'll.
1 second. We can.
Yes, I'll make a reverse bridge.
We can use it. We can use it for the last person. We can use, put it.
We can put it.
Yes, yes, exactly.
Firstly, take the bully.
No, okay.
And this.
How you will pass it here? Just pass and push it. Put it below this. Put it under. Put it under.
Put it under.
Put it under.
Please, put it under
the wide area. Wide.
Yeah,
Okay,
the other side is wide. Okay.
Okay. You will simply come along.
No, no, please. Push it back. Push it back. Push it back.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, push it a little back. Okay.
No, no, you can. It's good.
Just
Yeah,
don't
okay,
step.
okay.
Don't step here. Don't discuss here.
Hold it so it won't
Step
slip.
over there.
Don't let it slip. Don't let it
This
slip.
is a particular.
Don't use that, brother.
Okay.
We can use the same thing like it here.
Okay, now.
1 second. Chest number 5. Wait a minute.
Hold it.
Don't touch the red area.
Okay, okay.
Wait a minute. Don't touch the red area.
Firstly,
I particularly think we should put the plank over there. Yes, it's along the good idea. That's a good idea. We can put the balli at that. Just number 8.
not red, not red, not red.
Wait.
Yeah, put the middle.
No, no, we can jump over there.
Yeah,
We can
you
jump.
Okay.
You need to hold
It's
it
more
from
than
the-
Yes, we can use the balli and then
First, someone has to come over here, hold it like this. Okay, but we can use.
Yes, but make it more safe.
But someone will have to hold the button
Just number 8.
so it won't slip.
I think I can just move along. I can move along. You are stepping. I think I can move along.
You can chest number 7. You can go there.
Just number no. Okay, this is just number 3. You missed it. I think I can move along.
Wait. You can go.
Okay. Give me the balli.
Yes.
Just don't side roll and you will be able to cross.
Keep it on this.
Yeah, okay, now, should I give load?
Chest number 5. Guys, take the rope.
Okay, someone will have to also
Pass on the rope and pass on the load also.
Load, load,
No,
load.
one more.
Where will you put the load? You don't need to put the load. No need to put the load. Could you please put it over there behind?
Okay, yeah.
Put it over there behind. No need to carry it.
Please hold my hand if you want. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay.
One more now.
Chest number 1. You can pass the.
Wait a minute. Keep clearly
You can take the across the bully. You can
Okay,
pass.
first
You go to
let's
finish line.
cross.
Let's give me this and then I'll hold your hand and make you cross. Okay.
But it's
Don't
a
do it. Diagonally.
It's not.
It will.
Go.
Please go.
Chest number. Be careful and go.
Okay, you go.
Okay.
Wait.
Fine.
Hold this rope. Hold this rope.
Pass the load.
Chest number
I can
5.
move
Pass them
Pass
the load, pass them the load.
the load.
Pass them the
Chest number 2.
load first.
You can give the load.
First, take the bully. Take the bully. Chest number 4. Chest number 5.
Okay, wait a minute.
You can stand over blue.
Okay.
Wait.
The buggy load.
Blue area.
You can stand the blue area, but not use the obstacles.
Wait. One more person. Now you keep it here. Yes. Hold it. I'll go.
First of all, load will not be.
I think I have an idea.
Okay, wait. You
One better
hold
stable
my hand.
I think
Yeah. You hold my hand.
I have one better stable idea for
Yes.
that. Number 5.
Wait a minute.
Just number 5.
It's okay. Come. Everyone. Wait. I'll cross.
You will have to do this once again. The belly slip.
Okay. We'll do it again.
Don't put in the blue area.
Okay. I'll come along with this. Okay.
You should come.
One more person can. Okay. Come here.
1 second. I will go first.
Let's hold by. Jump.
Yeah, fine.
Control your momentum.
You can also step on blue, okay?
Yes. It's
Just
good.
step on blue.
Come.
Yeah, now take along.
Take this. Okay.
I have one particular idea that we should put this particular plank of in between. We have to save time in between tire.
Chest number 8. Chest number 8 is tire.
It's not I have an idea. That particular plank should be put it under this tire.
Oh yeah, we can also do
Yes.
that.
But it's
It's a good idea.
Please try once more.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Chest number 4. Hold it.
Done.
Okay.
Good. Chest number 7. Come.
Control the momentum. Just come. Okay. Good. Jump off first. Jump here.
Okay.
Yes. Jump.
Hold that. And now
Good. Okay. We can keep. No, but we can't directly jump here.
Yeah.
Just pass that. Pass that.
And pass thing.
Pass.
the road first. Let's
Okay,
keep the
wait.
road somewhere. Na?
one person can stand here.
Yeah, on the brake.
Yes, one person can definitely stand on the brick, and we should. You should take this plank.
First, take the plank over there.
Just take this plank and bind
Wait,
it.
I think tie the rope.
First,
Yes.
someone needs to reach that.
Chest number 1 has a good idea.
Just tie the rope here. Tie the rope
We
here and I
can tie
can
the
go.
rope and then we can jump.
Let me go.
Yes,
Give me the rope.
we can tie the rope.
Give me the rope.
Don't touch the ground.
We can use this.
Yeah, you just
I
need to
think
reach
chest
that
number 7
plank,
is
okay?
good with rope.
No,
Let him tie it.
Upper,
Put it.
And tie the rope.
Let chest number tie the rope. 7 and he is good with rope.
Yeah, yeah.
One second. Give me this. Give me this. And tie it.
Yes, that's good one.
One.
Just
Tie it on all sides.
down.
Tie it down, okay. Put it under it. Yeah, and then over.
And tie from all four sides.
Yeah,
yes,
the
yes.
next side. Yes, diagonally. Take it. No.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
So we can keep the bully in front of it and then we can easily cross to that side.
Take this. Can you come? This.
Okay, good.
Tight it. Not a tight.
Not I not.
Chest number 7. You can also stabilize it by putting weight here, okay?
Okay.
Hold
Yes.
the weight.
It's- No need to push it front.
We can stand here and push the.
Hold it.
Chest number
Yeah,
7.
stand on the
Chest number 3, I think it's okay. We should place the bully in front
Firstly,
of
I
it.
go and after that I take the bully from there.
Okay, I think light.
Okay, no,
light
lighter person should go
Chest
first
number
and
one,
stand on the break.
Please give way. You
Chest
keep weight
number 1 or
over
chest
here.
number
Firstly check whether it is stable
No,
enough or not.
not
No, it's not stable enough.
Not stable. Not stable, yeah.
Wait a minute. Chest number 7 and chest number 8 can put weight here.
Okay, let chest number 1 or 6 go first because they are lighter. They can step on the
Yes,
break
exactly.
and then they can.
I think chest number 2 has good idea.
Can someone tie this rope even more tightly?
Chest number 7, please.
Stand here.
No. We need simply tie the rope tightly.
I think we are running out of time, so
Yeah, just tie it anyway. We
Yes.
can just hold it
Yes.
tightly. Okay, that's what matters in the end.
Well, gentlemen, more than half the time is already over.
Okay. Just chest number 8, you put weight here. Okay.
Yeah.
Chest number 3,
3% we are.
just hold the rope. Just hold the rope. Wait for
Hold the rope.
Okay. Now wait.
Gentlemen.
Check that. Okay.
Check. First check.
Check
First
stability.
check.
Wait. It's okay. They'll.
Put number.
I should go. Can you reach the break?
Wait.
just need to
Let me
reach
keep
the
the belly
break.
first.
Wait. Just.
It's okay. It's okay. We'll keep the belly.
That's very
Wait a
unstable.
minute. We need to simply tie the rope. Just wait a minute. Just wait. Chest number 3.
Why you are?
Okay, maybe someone can step on that rope area too.
Go.
Okay. Now. Wait a minute.
Chest number 7, hold this.
Yes.
Now we can go.
Everyone.
I think you should
Yeah, step on it.
have the position. Yes. Okay, hold.
Go.
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
It's fine. You can reach the break.
Why don't you make use of this thing?
Yes, sir.
Hold it so.
I will make it stabilized for you. Okay. Just wait a minute. Put stable.
Don't worry.
Get a hand side. Get a hand side.
Come on,
Get a hand
go up,
side.
step
Yes,
up.
now.
Pull this even chest number 3. Wait, chest number 4.
I can stand.
Yes, stand on it.
Then just put.
Just let chest number 4
Yes,
step on it.
that's good.
Yeah, okay.
Also put weight.
Chest number 8.
Wait on this.
Yeah, I'm going to here.
No. You can stay over here. I
Chest number
can.
3. Chest number 6. Come here. Sit here. You hold this. Okay.
Hold that.
Hold it. Yeah, okay, fine.
Okay, you have done it in a difficult way. Can you see something down below?
Breaks.
Yes.
Okay, remove this plank. Remove the plank. Do it in a simpler way.
Okay, we could.
You will save time.
There is a pipe.
Okay. You will save time as well as you will do it faster. In a simple way, everyone can do it. Okay, put the phata over there. पीछे stand over it. और आगे करो थोड़ा सा.
No, it is. But I believe
Keep it on the front, right? Yeah.
you stand on that and put the bully over the plank. Yes, bully.
Bully, very good. Take it.
Okay.
Now I can reach the break.
How easy it is.
Yes, sir.
Okay, carry
Chest
on.
number 5. Chest number 5. You can go around. I can hold the bully.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, just let it go.
Yes. Wait.
Chest number 3. You are standing on it.
Chest number 3. Okay.
Pass the waist.
Good.
First.
Pass the
Come, come.
weight. Pass the weight. Also this thing.
Yes, just
1 second.
climb up.
1 second. Come.
You just
Come.
Take this.
Come and go. Up, go.
You can go.
By help me. By support of me. Go.
I will hold this. Hold on.
okay.
Test number 6, come. Okay. Come and go.
Now you
You
can
jump over there.
You can go.
You can
Also you can.
step forward on brick. Step forward on brick. Give it to. Step forward on brick.
Yes, yes.
And you chest number 4, you grip on that brick.
Can I
Okay.
give you this?
I think we
Yes,
can
come.
get the plank this way and then we can
You go
we can
there.
simply
You
use
go
the
there.
plank this way. Okay.
Someone step
Okay.
on that.
We can use the plank over here and put the balli
and then we can jump over there.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah,
One
hold
second,
hands and then
hold it.
step on that mat, na?
No, you need to just pass on the plank here.
Little bit forward, bus. Come.
One more person can go there.
Someone can directly step on the plank and then keep the load on that while
then
they
more-
go.
More than
Yes.
4 feet.
Please,
can-
please,
put the plank here.
we must
Put the
use the
balli
reverse
on brick.
yes, we must use the reverse, okay? We must use the reverse to the and you should balli here.
1 second,
Use the
1
Yeah,
reverse.
wait.
Firstly, chest number 2.
I think we
Come on
need
the
to make
funnel.
a bridge like this and then we can put it under and
Wait up,
they
lower
can-
weight up, balli weight.
Give up. Both.
Okay, give it.
Yes.
Yes, give it to we must make the reverse one. Yes.
You want the
We
plank
can
to?
place the balli like this and then we can make the reverse one.
plank.
Okay. So is it?
No, firstly go to
Reach
the.
the mat,
Firstly
just
go to
make
the.
step,
make
na.
the-
They're not jumping if we are
They
stepping
came.
from
Firstly
there.
you go. Their crowd is not been mandatory.
So
You can go
just
over
we can
there.
make the-
We can go over there. yaar.
Forward over there.
Yes.
Yes, we can use the simple
But
forward
Chest
over
number
there.
6 can step from the brick to the mat, na? Directly.
No,
You
it's
don't
very
need
greater
to
than
jump,
that.
you don't need to jump.
Yes, okay,
But
we
you
can
don't
let
jump,
you
then
direct.
step.
This thing.
Like
Step
greater,
up.
definitely.
No. Put the balli on brick.
No, we can't do that.
Okay,
Just pass over the plank over here. We must use 2% to pass over there.
Yes. And put the balli
Yes,
on.
please, could you please pass?
Put the
shift
belly
the
on
load.
the
Shift the load
on the bricks.
here.
On the
And,
bricks,
chest
both
number
bricks,
three below.
both bricks. Chest number 3, we up.
Yes.
What about how about we use
No,
on the brick?
No,
Brick
wait,
only,
wait,
brick.
wait a minute. We used to put it upside. Upside.
Yeah.
Okay, then we have to use it as a fulcrum.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Simply 1% chest number it can go
okay,
along.
now just keep it.
Number
Don't
six,
hold it, just jump, everyone jump.
Chest number
Step
6.
step here, step
And
here,
then
let's step
you also
down.
need the plank.
Okay.
And the last. Jump.
Jump, simply jump. Okay.
Chest number 6, go. Chest number 1, then you go.
Then I got
Hold
one
it,
more.
hold it.
Okay, then give us a
One second, chest number 1.
like-
Hold a second. Chest number 3, first you go. And take that hold load.
I should come over.
Let me pass on this
Yes,
over
let
here.
you first pass.
Pass this.
Yeah, pass
Step here,
it.
step here.
Step
And
and
I
pass.
should
Okay,
come
now
over
pass.
Okay, keep the load on that brick.
On that particular brick. On particular brick. Brick, 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 brick.
Don't keep it.
Brick, give it back, give it back.
There's a brick
Give it
there.
back. Just number
There
8.
is a brick.
Hold this load over there. Below your feet. Hold it. You can simply put it over there because brick
Yeah,
is
okay,
wide.
just put it on the
Just put
brick.
it on brick. Okay.
Not touching a blue part.
Then now we need something to come.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. We would use the reverse one to make them come.
Firstly you go. Chest number. Firstly you go. Chest number 3 and 1. 1 you
Okay,
also
just
go.
number 1.
Who will hold this?
I will hold
I'll
this.
hold it. Yes, simply
I will
come
hold
along.
this. Go.
Okay.
Go first and give me to me.
Yes.
Give it to me. Give it to me first.
Okay.
Firstly let
We
me
would use the reverse one thing. Same manner. Put it below. Put it below.
Yeah.
hold it so this will not like it.
We can make a reverse one from here also.
Okay. Can you, but you have to step from, okay. Isn't this much simpler?
Then how will you carry it back?
Can I use this?
You need to carry it back when last person will come.
Just come the way we
Okay,
came.
first
We have
let
to
me
make it from the reverse side. Wait. Test number
Wait,
4.
wait. Yeah.
You have to make a reverse one.
Blank. So we have to
Not
make
like
a
this. I'm not
Bye. Give it to me. Give it to
Test
me.
number 2. Kindly walk to the finish line. Your hands are hard. Okay. Walk to the finish line, please.
Okay.
Hold it from that side.
Yes. No,
There are some nails.
same
You
thing, you
can,
can
simply,
you
there are
can
nails.
use the nails.
You can use the nails also.
Pull the belly backward. Back.
Wait.
But he didn't come. Didn't come.
Wait.
Try at least try one time.
Why not
Okay.
use the same things?
Okay, gentlemen. Think and do the things which are practical in nature. Okay? By putting this bully over here, what is happening?
The angle is going up.
Going up. Otherwise, you have to put the pressure. Why don't you tie the rope?
Yes, sir. Okay, the rope is.
If you tie the rope, it can take up matlab thing. Second thing, remember, rope is a very good matlab kind of thing. You tie the rope here. इधर बांधो इधर फटाफट टाइट डबल करके बांधो या बीच में से डालो रोल इट 2-3 टाइम्स तेरा पैर पहुंच रहा है इधर की नहीं
Yes.
और बांधो इसको just see it. If you tie one end the fulcrum is here okay
Yes, sir.
still मतलब क्या कहें it can take the load of the full person understood
Yes, sir.
or you give him the balli he will put it from there okay take a step and come this side okay
One person
sit on top of it
there is chances of slide.
okay
No.
Come back. Now hold it.
Support me.
Yes, yes, okay. Come here.
Hold him.
Okay, good. Once hold
Hold him.
okay same thing is मतलब क्या है how to use the मतलब क्या है rope another thing I'll tell you all of you come this way. Do it faster.
Do it fast.
Remove this. What have you done here? Okay. यहाँ पे जो है you tie the rope like this, double करके.
In between them.
इसको डबल करो यार.
Double करो.
Tie it here. इसके बीच में से लेके आओ.
तो करो इसके बीच से टाइट हो जाएगा. Give it to me. Wait.
Just give him the rope so he can stretch it. Just number 4. Give him.
Tie it here. थोड़ा जगह दो उसको. ओके ठीक है इसको बांध दो ये छोड़ो इसको ब्रिंग द फट्टा डालो इसमें ऊपर
पीछे वाले को नीचे डालो.
रोटेट
Yes. Do carefully. So you can simply use
नीचे करो इसको
Put the rope little bit down.
एक ही रोप में डालो
एक row में डाल दीजिए.
put it in okay
You can tighten it, mold it up so
isn't it
Yes,
it better than tying it and then मतलब क्या क्या going up and down
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
clear about this
Yes, sir.
another मतलब use of the rope open up the rope
Open it.
if the brick is not given to you how will you make further मतलब क्या है double the rope make a loop
Circle loop.
Loop around.
इधर से बांधो make a loop like this Make use of the start line, put the fatta inside and then further.
Yes. Yes. We can also put it over there.
Another way of
From here,
If brick is not given.
if brick is given, you can also use there. From there, like you can cross over.
But if brick is not given.
If brick is not, sir say that if brick is
another use of the rope.
Okay.
Remove the rope.
remove.
Sir.
There are structures which are there. Okay. जैसे इधर से बांधना है आपने, इधर से जो है डबल करो इसको, सॉरी, put it in this, like this, put it in this, rotate it,
Slightly rotate.
okay. Now put the fatta, इसको बांध दो इधर, ऊपर से,
इसको इधर
A bit more tight.
okay. Now look at this distance. This distance is less than
1 feet.
4 feet.
4 feet.
You have put the balli over there, the fatta has gone up, okay?
Yes.
And that slant distance is more than 4 feet.
Yes.
That is the mistake. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sometimes the poles are extended like this, like they are extended inwards. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remove the rope. Give it to me. So in that case, you have to make a loop. Simple knot इधर बनानी है. Okay, come this side, पीछे आ जाओ. So wherever the मतलब क्या कहें, you see the extended portion, you can throw the thing like this.
Yes, sir.
It will catch hold of that, and then automatically this will tighten up, and then you can monkey crawl and cross.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Same way, if और कुछ नहीं है तो इसको इधर से जो है यू कैन थ्रो इट, मतलब क्या कहे, एंड मेक इट स्मॉलर. ओके, सो यू जस्ट मतलब हैव टू मतलब क्या कहे, थ्रो इट लाइक दिस.
Yes, sir.
ओके,
Yes, sir.
अगर थोड़ा डिस्टेंस ज्यादा है, थ्रो इट ऑन टॉप.
Okay.
If you throw it on top, now slowly, matlab you can bring it
Yes,
this
sir.
side.
You can slow
Okay, anyone wants to try?
Yes, sir.
Try.
Swing कर दे.
Nice.
Swing कर देना.
धीरे से लेफ्ट को लेके आओ. या टाइटन इट.
Okay, I could have moved to that side.
थोड़ा यहाँ पे.
Yes. Okay, you try. Try the remaining.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any other questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No questions?
No, sir.
Okay.